guys, it's Modesty and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out another concealer. You guys, the e.l.f. concealer it was a bust for me. It really was a bust. I've tried it multiple times and I like it less the more I use it. So I'm not a fan of it, but I'm going to keep my spirits up and I'm going to be trying out the Milani Conceal+Perfect Concealer. The one that just came out, the one that is in the same line as this foundation that you guys know I love. It's near and dear to my heart. So if you guys would like to see how I feel about this concealer, and if you'd like to see how I did some of my makeup, I did my eye makeup off camera, but my face makeup I did on camera, then just keep on watching. You guys know that I love this foundation, so I have like 3 shades in it. I'm going to be using this today because I feel like I should be representing. So first let me go ahead and prime my skin. I'm literally just diving right into it, so I'm going to just quickly mention while I'm priming my skin that if you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome. And I want to welcome you guys. I hope you want to stick around by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it. I'm sorry I'm looking around. I'm looking for my primer. Yeah, so, and if you're coming back to my channel, I'm so happy you're back and we'll just get started. Alright, so have you guys all zoomed in? I just finished priming my skin. I went ahead and I used my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. To represent, I am going to be using the Milani Conceal+Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer in light beige. And I'm just going to use a sponge. Yeah, I have not been having good luck with concealers recently. Like, besides like my NARS and my Makeup Forever ones, the only other one I've tried recently that I like is the Unique one. And I've been trying to get more drugstore ones, and recently they just haven't been performing for me very well. Actually, I've been kind of having bad luck with a lot of drugstore products recently. Well, it seems like everyone else is having good luck. I'm having bad luck. I'm just going to push this in my skin so that we can... this foundation. Like, we are fully covered. Alright, we're going to be trying out this concealer now. I did grab 2 shades, light vanilla and light nude. I didn't know what shade I would be. I wasn't sure if one would be too yellow, one would be too pink. She made me a card. How cute. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, I didn't know if one would be too pink or if one would be too yellow, so I just went ahead and got 2 shades. Let me see. So there's one of them that looks pretty neutral. This one is in the shade Vanilla. Why are concealers like so light all of a sudden? Like, what is happening here? Like, the medium one in e.l.f. was like stark white. Be in here, be in here. I literally can't open this, you guys. Like, I can't open it. You know what? It looks paler than it anyway. I'm not even gonna bother opening that one. Okay, so we are gonna go right in.
I made a map card.
That's probably way too much. Alright, so let's try this out. Ooh, that's like good highlighting though.
You get what is that?
If you hear my daughter, I'm sorry. It's like that time of day, so they were supposed to be in school today, but they're both sick. Again. I learned my lesson. I feel like every time I go to bounce houses, it's going to be different. But every time I go to bounce houses, they get sick. One of them is actually sleeping it off right now. Definitely covers better than the e.l.f. one. I'm just trying to decide if it's too matte for my liking or not. I don't know why I've been so picky recently, you guys. It's like, I don't know, I've been like way more picky than I used to recently, and it's kind of weird. Okay, so it definitely looks better than the e.l.f. one did. Like, I don't hate this one. So it's looking good so far. It's definitely settles quickly. Like, I have to keep patting this out and I don't have to set it immediately because it's already like settling in my fine lines. But I don't know. The setting powders and my Cookie Cosmetics palette powder definitely sits on top of it better than it does the e.l.f. one that I tried, because now that I have powder on, I'm actually digging it more. Okay, so this is how it looks after I've like set my face. I want to see how it changes as I finish off my makeup. So I am gonna finish off my makeup with you guys here, I think, just so that as things change, if things change, I can keep you posted. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour, but this is where we're at so far. Definitely has really good coverage. I can be happy with the coverage. I'm just trying to figure out how I feel about. Okay, so it doesn't, my under eye, it looked better, but it looked worse. So let's see. I'm gonna start contouring and stuff. I'm gonna be taking the shade Astute in my Unique eyeshadow palette. Literally my favorite thing to contour with right now. It's all I've been using. I'm gonna start with a thinner brush. I'm gonna coat some, hang on, let me look at the concealer really quickly. Okay, so it's still looking pretty good. Yeah, I definitely need to get like filler or something. I just have really bad skin under my eyes. Some of my waterproof mascara. I'm putting it on my lower lashes. Alright you guys, I'm just going to add some blush on top just to finish off the look for you guys. So far, I'm really liking how this concealer is going. I think it's looking really, really good. It's definitely closer to the matte side, and so I have to like be careful, maybe just use a little less next time. But overall, I'm liking how it's looking. I'm just going to be taking some of my favorite seductive blush from Unique. I really want to like bring my blush up this time. I want like a pretty blushy face. I'm going to be taking the Astute shade one more time. I forgot to contour my nose. I just don't want my nose be washed out. I love using this for contour, you guys. It's so good. And I'm going to go ahead and work on my nose. So for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Touch Olive Mode highlighter in the shade Benevolent from Unique as well. And warm up, or bring some light to those cheeks. Let's try this again. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place. This is a matte look lipstick in the shade Soil. Alright guys, so now my final thoughts on this concealer. Let me take a little look-see. So, oh god. Overall, I think the concealer looks good. I think that if I was having a better skin day, it might look better. But I also think that if I used a teeny bit less, it would look better as well. It looks good though. I can definitely go out happy with my makeup. Unlike a couple of days ago, I was not happy with it. But I think I like this concealer. I definitely, like, I'm not 100% obsessed with it like I am a couple of my concealers, but I really do like it, you know, and I want to keep playing around with it, so I will keep you guys posted. If I continue to use it, then I like it. If I stop using it, then, you know, maybe I just didn't like it as much, but overall, I think I like it. Hang on, I just gotta... Alright, so that is it for this makeup look. I know you guys didn't see too much of it. If you guys are curious about what is on my face, I will have it all listed down in the description box. Don't forget, my lash bash party ends on the 25th. Tomorrow is... So when you guys see this, it'll be the 21st. So you'll have 4 days to shop my party. Definitely check out some products. But yeah, overall, what this video was about was a concealer, and I think I really do like it. Let me get, if you guys have tried this concealer, let me know what you think of it. Have you guys tried the Milani Conceal+Perfect Concealer? But yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to comment down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do on your way out, and don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to it so you miss any of my uploads. And same goes for you if you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and let me know what you guys think of this concealer. And I think that's everything. So I will see you guys on Monday. Mwah! Goodbye.